Hello everyone. Here we are going to give you a brief of our product Comcllen. Comcllen is a trusted name in the field of cleaning equipments. I will let you know more about our origin, which is interdominion sales agencies, established in 1980.
We have been selling equipments, machineries, refractories and providing services since then and are serving industry for the last 3 decades.
Cleanliness, trust, professionalism and integrity. These are the core values of Comcllen.
We are a service-oriented brand and we go beyond just selling our product.
We provide personalized site inspection where our experts will visit your place and understand the requirement. And then they will suggest you the best suitable machines for your requirement.
I would like to show some product range of Comcllen.
Starting with this vacuum cleaners.
We have 30 liters and 70 liter vacuum cleaners, 30 liter container size for smaller requirement and 70 liters for the bigger requirement.
Next, I'll show you our walk behind scrubber dryer. Here we have 2 options.
One is battery operated, another is electric operated.
It has huge tank capacity which can cover large areas.
Then we have fully mechanical sweepers. They do not require any electricity or battery.
It's completely mechanical.
Now we will showcase a masterpiece product which is compact scrubber dryer.
The size of the machine is compact, but this machine doesn't only scrub your floor. It can suck all the dirty water or the wastage water and collect it into its dirty water tank. So it has dual tank. One is clean water tank and another one is dirty water tank. It's a compact machine. Isn't it amazing?
Ours is a service-based organization and we start with a friendly visit to your site to help you select a correct machine for your application.
For any assistance, you can get connected with us at any point of time and we assure you our prompt service. For further details, do visit our website and you can contact us in these below mentioned numbers. Clean right, shine bright. Thank you.